Tricks to score well. Math Olympiad is the best thing that could ever happen to an aspiring mathematician. It helps you train your mind for problem solving, and it also provides a lot of opportunities for you to win scholarship money. We all know that maths is considered one of the toughest subjects to crack. With so many concepts and methods to learn, it can be an uphill task to score well in the Math Olympiad. Some brilliant students often score poorly because of the mistakes they make during the exam. Practice often. Practice makes a man perfect. There is nothing we can add to this tried and tested quote. The mantra of success is to practice and practice till you become perfect. Maths is a subject that can only be understood and learned by practice. Practice helps to apply what you know to the problems that you don't know how to solve. Take practice tests under exam conditions. Gather resources. The internet is a big place for Olympiad questions and problems. You need to find the right books, sample papers, and notes to study from. Half of the time, students can crack the exams by referring to these notes and papers rigorously. So it is important to find correct and verified resources that you can refer to. To excel in the Math Olympiad, you need to take practice tests and do model tests. Learn how to write faster. Writing faster helps to gain time while attempting the Olympiad exam. Maths is a subject that needs verification at least once after the paper is done. Solving sums quicker help to buy the time that's required to check the answers at the end. Memorize math formulas. Math has basic formulas which students will practice nearly every academic year. Memorizing these formulas will help to solve the questions easily and efficiently. You need to understand them first and then practice a lot of times to remember them. You can improve your math skills by this to score better. Learn everything you can about your subject. There is nothing that you can miss in mathematics. You need to know every type of sum and formula to solve questions with numbers. The only thing that changes is the numbers in the question paper. The method and techniques that need to be learned are always the same. Try to do 2 difficulty levels above what you can handle, but don't stop trying before you reach it. Set up a study system that works. Maths requires practice and the extra time you could give to other subjects. It's important to set up a schedule that will work in your favor. You might have to compromise on the equal timing you give other subjects and add extra math time to your calendar. Stay motivated. You need to be focused and have fun while studying. In mathematics, it's quite easier to remember things by turning studying into a game. You can come up with various fun games and tricks to always remember certain questions or formulas. You can relate them with real-life examples and names. Retake the same tests you've already taken.